This sure is a glorious day for South Texas College in the city of McAllen. I want to thank everyone for joining us. Being able to cut the ribbon for this facility is quite an accomplishment. We have state-of-the-art labs, very much focused on the needs of industry in our region. We also have an advanced manufacturing lab. We have a new construction supervision and electrician lab. Students can see how a house is built, how you install the electrical system in a home or in a commercial facility. It's meant to be real-world, hands-on experience for students so that when they leave South Texas College, they are prepared to do the job. We have advisory councils for each of our programs where employers will share with us what kind of skills they need in their workforce. They help us develop the program so it does respond to their needs.
Well, what is very important is that our workforce is well trained, and this facility is going to train them in the jobs of tomorrow. And what I particularly liked is that the architects that were used to create this facility, many of them were educated in South Texas College. Well, for students, we're helping them to stay in our region. We're not putting them into a predicament where they have to choose between staying in McAllen, staying in the valley, or going somewhere else. We're giving them the education here in our region, and so we're very excited about that.